What's your name?
Twinkling.
Twinkling. This.
Ellie.
What's your name?
RJ.
KJ.
RJ.
KJ. What's your father's name?
It's Christian.
Christian. You live over there. Over there? In your house?
Yep. And it's kind of very far away.
Far away?
You just have to walk.
How did you get over there? There. You walk?
Because it's in the top. It's where we live in a mountain.
Mountain? Really? Yep.
Just a short mountain. Yeah.
Short mountain? Your mother's name? What's your mother's name?
It's Rosaline and Ellie and Mimi.
Roslyn.
Rosaline and Mimi.
Your name? Your name? Your name? Your name?
Twinkling.
Twinkling?
And Ellie's climbing.
Where did you get your English speaking?
We just watch TV because of English. Yeah, we learned to be English.
Really?
Yeah, because when I was the one first because I got it because it was pandemic.
Pandemic?
Pandemic.
During pandemic,
And
you're
then, no, it's
in
Salvation.
Salvacion Panabo? Really? Yep.
Our grandma lives there.
Grandma?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just call him Wawa.
Wawa? Who's Wawa?
He's our grandma.
Grandma?
We just call him.
You. Why you get speaking English?
Because I love to be speaking that. Because he copied to me.
Are you the eldest?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or
There's more eldest than me.
what you're talking about?
It's at home.
At home?
It's our big brother.
Big brother?
Ajay's checking the
Yeah.
drone. No, Marty, don't check the drone. I just left to check drone.
How old are you? No.
I'm 8.
8?
And he's 6. And then
6.
RJ's 3.
This is a 3.
Yeah.
RG? You're pretty or you're handsome?
He don't know
Handsome?
anything.
Are you sure?
He don't know.
What's your favorite food?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah. And
Ah.
bubble.
You.
I just love vegetables. We are the same.
You're a vegetarian?
I love vegetables too.
Vegetables, specific vegetables. Your favorite?
Ellie's favorite is sabaw.
So, this is not vegetable. It's specific.
He loves kamunggay and that's chicken. And he likes chicken too.
Chicken too.
And egg. We're all the same. Like
Are you eating hot dog or processed food?
hot dog. Not always. Hot dog.
Not always. Why?
Because we don't want to because our tita said we will have a big eyes.
It's not good for health. Hot dog.
At home, he said because Ellie said he wants hot dog.
Ah.
I don't love the cheese dog.
You. You're standing over there because I would like to talk to you. Why you hate hot dog? Big bro. Why you hate hot dog?
Hot dog for wild food.
Speak louder. Speak louder.
He wants a boom slash. Yeah.
No. What?
He likes a boom slash. He always take a stick so he can make it as a sword. And then he's gonna fight with a dummy.
Dummy?
A banana that is banana split. And he likes to play with Lego at home.
I would like to